Might not say the name of the company right,
by Braslow's Custom,
but I told y'all this lure was money. $100,000 worth of money. So Pat Schlaffer just won the Bassmaster Elite Series on the Sabine River and took home $100,000. And he did it flipping a jig and also on a lure I specifically told you guys about a month back or two. That's the Brazala Bushwhacker Buzzbait. If you don't believe me when it comes to the effectiveness of this bait, you gotta believe a victory on the Elite Series. So do yourself a favor, go pick you one up.